I'm Gary Kent with GeoLearn, and this is course number 3 on the 2021 ALTA NSPS Land Title Survey Standards. In this course, we're going to be discussing the research section of the standards, which is section 4. In order to make it easy for you, what we've done is we've kept the content from 2016 that was still valid in 2021, but you will see a dark blue slide with yellow text that will raise your awareness that this is new content for 2021. Now, there are several things we want to keep in mind when we talk about records research. In fact, really when we talk about the entire set of standards in any land title survey, and that is to make sure we keep in mind the difference between what's a matter of survey and what's a matter of title. And this even extends to things like talking about encroachments and dealing with gaps and overlaps, which we'll talk about later on. Now, I think it's important to point out that the American Land Title Association believes that if surveyors need recorded documents as part of their survey, that those documents should be provided to the surveyor. That's why the standards say what they do. But we also understand, and as we're going to find here in a few minutes, it's understood that surveyors do have certain obligations themselves in many states to do certain research, certain elements of the research themselves. So we'll see that we end up with kind of a balance in Section 4 addressing this particular issue. Finally, one of the problems that we've had to deal with and that we ran into in particular with 2011 and that we actually deal with in 2016 is the conundrum that was caused by a set of standards which is really a contract between a surveyor and a client, and then having research requirements where some other third party is supposed to provide information to a surveyor. Creates a little bit of a quandary, because that contract between those two parties really can't force a third party to do anything.